Hola chicas, so we're just going to have a look at los números that we started yesterday, okay? So ayer hemos visto, we saw the numbers de 60 al 100. We're just going to recap them quickly. So the first number we had was 30, we've seen this already, 30, which is 30, 40, 40, we saw this already, 50, 50. So they're the first couple we already know. Now these are our new ones, 60 to 100. So remember, 60 is 60. 70, 70. Now just be note the difference here. There's an S and a T, and they're easily mixed up, so just be really careful of those two, okay? 80 is 80, 90 is 90, and 100 is 100. Okay, just to recap, 50. Yeah, 50. 60. Just count out yourselves. 70, 70, 80. Three syllables are och, 80, 90, 90, 100. Okay, ciento, don't worry too much about the ciento, we'll come to whatever ciento means. Okay, so those were the numbers 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So that was what we looked at, okay, ayer. So we're just going to go back into so these are the exercises we had filled in, so I'm just going to run through them quickly. Okay, so 60 was 60, and now all you're doing is you're adding your E. So you know this E translates as like and. You know that translates as like and, okay? So that E is and, so 60 y 1. So that actually translates as 60 and 1. 60 y 2, 60 and 2. 63, 60 y 3. 64, 60 y 4. 65, 60 y 5. 66, 60 y 6. 67, 60 y 7. 68, 69. So that's all you're doing is you're just 60 and then 60 and 5, 60 and 6, 60 and 7. So that was bastante bien, yeah? Okay, the next one we asked you was 70, so really simple again, okay? It was like your 70, okay? So you got like 70, you know that why, okay? So it's 70, okay, so 70, 70 y 1, 70 and 1, 70 y 2, 70 and 2, 73, 70 and 3, 74, 70 and 4, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 70 and 7, 78, 78, and 79, 79. So that was our numbers there, okay? That was our 70s. Let's have a look at our 80s. Okay, so these there are our 80s. We have 80, 80, okay? 81, 80 and 1. Remember your E is and. 82, 80 and 2. 83, 83. 84, 84. Okay. 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 85, 85. 86, 80 and 6. 87, 80 and 7. 88, 80 and 8. 89, 89. So good job on those, okay? That was our first little bit. That was our 80s. And finally, just have a look at your 90s, okay? Okay, so here we've got 90, okay? Now remember, anytime you see 90, you pronounce the V like a V. Okay, the V like a V, okay? 90. So then we've got 91, 91. 92, 90 and 2. 93, 93. 94, 94. 95, 95. Okay. 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99. Okay, and the last one we have is 100. So 100 then is 100. So good practice on those numbers, okay? So that's you should be able to go now. Los números de 0 a 100. So 0 a 100. So from 0 to 100, okay, that's what you should be able to go now as regards your numbers, okay. So just recap those and try and get as much practice as you can with those, okay. Um, they're muy importante. You'll see them loads. You see them come up loads in listings and stuff as well, like that. So just be really careful on those kind of things, okay. You'll see them come up in listings and that as well. So it's important to remember those, okay. So good job. So we're going to try and get all I'm going to ask you for to do tonight, okay. I'm just going to ask you to do 3 little things, okay. So first thing I want you to do, if you need to practice this, is on the green box here on página 104 on page 104, I want you to fill in these numbers here. So just write them down. So like 67, just write them down as figures, okay. That's the first thing I want you to do. These are all jumbled up, so they're going from 60 to 100, so you just have to write them in, okay. You're just going to write them in here. The next thing I want you to do is just practicing our numbers again with mucho práctica. Okay, here you're just going to write them como palabras. You're going to write them as words. Okay, so you have 15 of those here. You're just going to write them as words. Just fill those in. Okay. Yeah, so just you've got so like for instance 99 is going to be 99. Yeah, so you're just going to fill those in. And the last thing I want you to do is I just want you to do this is a crucigrama, so maybe write the words here. So for instance, like 83 is going to be 83, and then you're just going to find it here in the crucigrama, or sorry, the sopa de letras in the word search. You're just going to find them here. So your 3 things I want you to do is, primero, first of all, I want you to write these as figures. That'll take you no time at all to do. Segundo, I want you to write these as words in Spanish. Okay, so remember 99 is going to be 99. Just write them into the book. And the last thing I want you to do is I want you to just go through the sopa de letras, just go through your kind of word search here. Write the words first down here or into your cuadernos, into your copies, and just fill them in here. Is that okay, chicas? Muchas gracias, and we'll be chatting to you again soon. Perfecto.